dear and lovely students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the English class. This class is for Standard First, Semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you enjoying this English class? You are enjoying na? Very good. So dear students, today we will learn from your book 5.6 ऑड मैन आउट. तो आपको जो ऑड है उसे अलग करना है. आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स. टेल द इंग्लिश वर्ड्स. फाइंड द ऑड मैन आउट. द वर्ड विच बिगिंस विथ अ डिफरेंट साउंड. कॉक, पैरट, cat, cap. The first picture is cock. Cock begins with k. Parrot begins with p. Cat begins with k. And cap begins with k. So, which is different? Which sound is different? P. P is different. P. Parrot. So, we will circle to parrot. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. The word which begins with a different sound. First picture is doll, then doctor, table, dog. I am repeating again. Doll, doctor, table, dog. The doll, the doctor, the table, the dog. The table is different. So we will circle to table. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. Pot, frog, fan, fish. Pot, frog, fan, fish. Which is different? Pot is different. So we will circle to the pot. Understood? Very good. So dear students, look at the pictures. Tell the English words. Find the odd man out. The word which ends with a different sound. तो हमें जो वर्ड्स है जो डिफरेंट साउंड से एंड होता है उसे फाइंड आउट करना है. जैसे दिस इज, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज नेट. दिस इज हैंड. बोट, कैट. नेट, नेट ट आया. हैंड ड. बोट ट. कैट. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सो विच इज डिफरेंट? हैंड ड is different. So ड sound is different sound. So we will circle to hand. Understood? Very good. So dear students, see the next pictures. First is ox, box, fox, cock. I am repeating again. Ox, box, fox, and this is cock. Which is different sound? Cock. Last में क्या आ रहा? क. तो cock is different. So we will circle to the cock. Understood? So dear students, see these next pictures. First is book, frog, dog, bag. I am repeating again. Book, frog, dog, bag. Book is ख. बुक के लास्ट में क्या आया? क. तो ये है डिफरेंट। फ्रॉग ग आया, डॉग ग, बैग ग, यानी कि बुक का जो लास्ट का जो साउंड है वो डिफरेंट है, तो हम उसे सर्कल करेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? वेरी गुड।